We're in week 5, and just kind of as a class reminder, every time you have a paper due, it means that we are starting something else. So in week 4, your Dolly Parton paper was due, and we are done with Dolly. No more Dolly Parton for us. We are now moving into our graphic novel March. 1. If you don't have a copy, go to the bookstore. I know that it was delayed for a little bit because another class was using it or something. I'm not sure. But if you don't have a copy, you need it. Like, this is the time. The time is now. Go get a copy of March. If you have not, this is number 2. If you have not watched this book trailer yet, do that. Please do that. If we were meeting in class, that's the first thing I would show you. So please watch that video. Okay, so the first thing, as is the case every time I introduce a new paper, you need to read the assignment. Like, before you do anything, read the assignment. This is the actual PDF where you can sit down and read the whole thing. But then here's a video where I walk you through the entire assignment. I put notes down the screen, and it's the exact same thing I did with Dolly Parton. This video is now here too, and not just in the book at the top of Moodle. But I will say the book at the top of Moodle will give you everything you need to do this entire paper. Okay, so please don't ignore it. And then here is your first lesson for the week. So of course, check your calendar, check Moodle. This will either say Tuesday or Monday. Intro to graphic novels. This has a lot of videos in it. It has a lot of stuff. So before you click on this, you need to click on this. Open this in a new window or tab, Graphic Novel Terms and Concepts. Click on that first. That's going to pull up a new tab. It should open in a new tab on its own. You need this to complete the lesson, because when you click on this, it will open in the same window. So click on this first and then click on this. This right here, this PDF, is something that I create during the lesson, and so that's just for reference later. You don't have to open that before you get started on the lesson. It's just there for you. Hopefully it will help. And then the end of the week, Thursday or Wednesday, oh my eye itches, Thursday or Wednesday, check your calendar, look at Moodle, see when your class is due. Hopefully you're kind of in the groove. You know when if your class is a Monday, Wednesday class or a Tuesday, Thursday class, but we'll just see. So make sure you've got the right day. And then you're going to complete this lesson. And there are lots of details. It's relatively short-ish. It's short-ish, but you'll get a grade for it. Get a grade. And then number 4, this is the most exciting part, I think. No forum this week. You have just 2 lessons. That's it. No forum. Okay, that's week 5. That's everything. So we are getting started on the book. You've got your paper assignment. You've got a video to walk through it. You have 2 lessons, either due on Tuesday and then Thursday, or Monday and then Wednesday. And that's it for this week. Feel free to go ahead and start reading the book, but you don't have to have it read until later on, okay? The end of the next week, the end of week 6. Okay, that's it.